Hello guys, tonight we'll be making garlic butter shrimp scampi. Yum! So these are the main ingredients. It is pasta, shrimp, and some broccoli. We add the broccoli to the pan. Whoops! Get back here. Then we do some salt and pepper. Now we put the broccoli into the oven at 450 for 12 to 15 minutes. Now we toss in the spaghetti. Three tablespoons of butter into a small microwave dish. Next, we add in the lemon zest and half of the Parm cheese. Next, we add a pinch of garlic, just took the broccoli out of the oven, seasoning the garlic butter, now to the pan I toss in the shrimp, add some olive oil, the remaining garlic, salt, and then pepper. Give this all a stir. Add in the pasta, next the broccoli, here I am adding in a 1/4 cup of water with the stock. Next, the garlic butter, or as I say, the yumminess. Garlic is so frickin' good. I can eat that on anything. Let me know down below what you like to add garlic to. Squeeze some lemon. Yummy, yum, yum. And voila! The garlic butter shrimp scampi is done. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Bye!